What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to log in Bitfinex account. So, you might be wondering how to exactly log in into your account here. Where logging in into Bitfinex here is very easy. So, first thing that you want to do is you want to open up the app itself. And as you can see, there's an option here at the very top that says log in or sign up. Now, since we want to log in into our account, let's go and choose logged in. Now from here, you want to go and just provide the necessary details. Now in this case, you want to go and provide your email or the username that you've used to set up with your account and also the password for it. So let's go and enter our email address here and the password for our account. Now once you've logged in, it's now going to ask you to enter the 6-digit code that you've actually connected to your Google Authenticator app. So in this case, you want to go and open up the Google Authenticator app here. Let's go open it up and let's go ahead and copy this one and go back into our account. Now from here, you just need to basically paste this. So let's go and paste it and click on the authenticate option here in order for us to log in into our account. Now from here, it's going to say create a 4-digit pin here. So let's go ahead and enter a 4-digit pin that we want to use. And once you've done that, it's now going to basically log in into your account. Now, it might ask you to verify your account, so go and just do that. But as you can see, we've just successfully logged in into our account, and that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.